Hello everybody, in today's video I want to show you how to transfer ownership of a file in Google Drive. This is used if you are handing a project over to someone else and you want them to fully own the file. So it's pretty simple to do. You just want to select the file which you want to transfer ownership and then right click on share, share again, and here we want to invite person to which we want to transfer ownership. So as you can see, currently I am the owner. So I will type basically email of the person which I want to transfer ownership. After it will ask you to select the role. So you can keep it on editor if you want. This is the role with the highest rights. So I'm going to keep it on editor, click on send. Now we want to go again on the same file, right click on share again, and now we can see that there is this other person, which is editor. And if you want to transfer the ownership, you want to click on this editor, and you're gonna see the transfer ownership option from the drop down. You want to select this. And if you are sure, you want to click on send invitation. Now the person needs to accept the email from you. After they accept, you should be no longer owner of this file. So let's see. I'm going to click on done. I will refresh the page and it was document number 1, and you can see I'm no longer owner and this person is. So I can click on share, share again. And now the thing is, the owner can actually remove your access to this file. So make sure you are transferring ownership to person you trust, then you will no longer have access to that file. So now I'm currently editor only, and that's basically how you can transfer ownership of a file in Google Drive. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.